Hey everybody. Alright, we're working on the jog wheel for the charger control, the front panel control. So what I did was I used my milling machine and I made myself a mold. So with this, I'm going to mold a jog wheel for the front panel using my injection molder. This was given to me a few years ago. Never really used it up until now, but now it's proven itself useful. So, injection molder, it's got, down here, it's got a heater, a little core in there that you fill with plastic pellets. And then on top of it, it's got this big pneumatic ram here. And you hook up the air compressor in the back, you got a little regulator. And when you hit the button, or the big switch, it'll the ram will drop down. So since it runs off the compressor cycles every once in a while. Give it a second, it'll shut off. It's just a little guy. So there's two halves to the mold. There's the front half and the back half. There's the front, there's the back. And you just put them together like that. They just slip together. And in the top, there's a little hole. And that's where the plastic gets put in. So what we're going to do, you can see the nozzle down the bottom there, where the plastic comes out. So just scrape off what oozes out of there. Slip the mold in the machine. There we go. You'll line up the hole underneath the nozzle. You can see it there. And this thing is pretty hot, by the way, 450 degrees. Close it down, and then the mold's not perfect, so I use this clamp to kind of even out the pressure to where I like it. So that looks pretty good. Mold's pretty even. Tweak this side a little bit. Alright, so there it is. Now, all you gotta do is hit the big button. So, I'll put the camera down here so you can see what's going on. Get the focus. There we go. So here it goes. Compressor off. I don't need that anymore. And now if you were doing more, you just put some more of the pellets in there, in the little hopper there. Let it heat up for a minute. Do another one. So I'm gonna let this cool in the mold because you get better finish when you leave the mold closed. So let it cool and take it out. Here's one little idea of what it looks like. This one didn't mold all the way. I didn't have enough in the chamber. But you can get an idea of it. It's got the little dimple for your finger. And fits right on the little encoder shaft for the charger. So this one came out almost perfect, except that there wasn't enough. So, we'll try this one.